how often should I service my machine? We get this question multiple times every day.
And when people purchase machines with us, this is something that we discuss with them.
It's a topic we try to discuss with all of our customers when they purchase a machine with us.
Every manufacturer suggests you get your sewing machine serviced at least once a year.
And possibly more if you use your machine heavily.
And why do they recommend once a year?
They recommend once a year truly to extend the life of your machine. It's a sewing machine.
Every machine manufacturer recommends that you get their machine serviced at least once a year.
Let's take cars for example. We all know that they recommend we come get our oil changed every 3,000 to 8,000 miles. And the average person drives their car about 14,000 miles a year. So when you cross that 3,000 to 8,000 mile mark and you're not having any problems, you don't just ignore your oil change. This is just like your machine. If you're not having any problems, you still get your oil changed. Now I can already hear you people in the back. I haven't used my machine in years. Why would I need to get it serviced? Well, if your car sat and you only drove it 1,000 miles, you still need an oil change.
That's just car math.
And a lawnmower. John Deere and Craftsman both recommend you get your lawnmower serviced once a year.
Spring's coming up, you have to go get those blades sharpened. So what happens to your machine during a routine service?
Well, we here jokingly call it a medical spa day for your machine. We remove the entire casing to your machine. So yes, the top comes off, the side comes off, the bottom comes off, the end cap comes off, and this is so we can blow all of the lint out of your machine. We then go in and oil the machine.
They oil it, they make sure everything is looking good.
Manufacturers don't give owners the access to the oil spots like they did on the old machines because with all these computer boards, over-oiling can be worse than under-oiling.
This is also a point where they would check your timing.
This is really just making sure the needle is going down at the right time to pick up the bobbin thread.
And are the tension plates clean and free of lint?
And then recalibrate your tension because that's everyone's biggest nemesis in this sewing world. We see all the time what happens to machines that don't come in for yearly service.
And we see plenty of machines that go years and years without a service.
We have to regularly tell customers that their machine is no longer repairable or their repair bill is going to be much more than their machine is worth because they've gone years without service.
We know that machines hold so much sentimental value.
Maybe your mother gave you the machine, or you're sewing on your grandma's old sewing machine. With everything that sewing machine gives you, make sure you give it what it needs.
And no matter the size or the price,
sewing machines are an investment.
With everything you ask of your machine, costumes, bags, repairs, quilting, make sure that you're giving it what it needs.
With yearly service, your machine and your investment will last much longer.